Welcome to the world of self-clinching fasteners. My name is Walter Scharpf. I'm part of the Bossard category management team, and I want to give you today an insight into the self-clinching fasteners technology. Self-clinching fasteners, in this case a self-clinching stud, are installed by pushing the fastener into the panel material, and we create a cold flow into a special section of the fastener, which is the undercut. Self-clinching fasteners are used to assemble components. In this case, it's a traditional application, which is an electronic chassis. What you can see here is various types of self-clinching fasteners, such as standoffs and studs. Benefit and added value that we give to our customers via our self-clinching fasteners is cost and time reduction. We are replacing weld studs and weld nuts, and by using our fasteners, we don't spoil our fasteners. We don't have any weld splatters or damages on the threads. We also give high performance via our self-clinching fasteners, and you can use them in a wide variety of different panel materials. And this is only an extract of our total product line. We are working on a lot of innovations and new product developments, such as a right angle fastener, where we try to eliminate other technologies such as bending material. Snap top. The spring action holds the part on the component securely, and it allows a quick removal. We are also offering a bundle of parts for the use in printed circuit board materials. Now, why is Bossard the right partner for our customers when it comes to self-clinching technology in particular and in fastening technology in general? We are supplying a package solution to our customers: the fasteners and the installation and feeding equipment, including machine service. We support you with the right self-clinching fastener solution, and we can offer also other fastening technologies. For us as Bossard, our focus is always on you as our customer. We want to give you the best solution.